Welcome to our little room.
It smells like shit.
Maybe that.
Yeah.
Well, we are here at the Cathedral of the Blessed Sacrament in Sacramento, California. This is their elevator. Ooh, we might have a motor. We like motors. Of course, look at that door. I don't know if there's a service going on or something, but I'm not gonna make the bell ring. Oh, that sounds wonderful. This is a nice place. Alright, here we go, motor. Did you hear that?
Yeah.
We're low on oil a bit. Oh boy, oh boy.
Oh boy.
This is older innovation. Christine. Oh, wow, that felt great. Yep. Missing capacity plate right there. Yep, this is a Schindler, I believe. Let's listen to this amazing door operator. Okay, I don't know if it's just me, but I feel like when this thing landed down here, it like moved to the side. Did you feel when it started up, it like jolted to the left? Watch, listen, guys. It like, would you? All right, let's see if it's worse this time when we level. No. Alright, loud bell. And now we are going down like 6 steps.
Yeah.
Get ready for the big ass jolt. Oh, this is an interesting elevator. Very cool. Someone called it. Well, that'll be it.